Please allow me to get a little nerdy and into the weeds on this topic. CBD to quit smoking. A study was recently published by a group of researchers examining the impact of CBD and its active metabolite, 7-OH-CBD, on nicotine metabolism. Okay, hear me out. Stay with me here. They discovered that CBD and 7-OH-CBD did inhibit CYP2A6 mediated nicotine metabolism through a very complicated biochemical cascade that would take me an hour to describe. And I'm not sure if I would do it all that justice anyway. So in essence, CBD and its metabolite, 7-OH-CBD, inhibit, which really means reduce, expression of CYP2A6, which oxidizes both nicotine and cotinine, leading to decreased dependency on tobacco and other products. Okay, decreased dependency, or they help people to completely quit smoking. So while there are patches and there are gums and there are all these treatments out there, don't dismiss the power of CBD to help people stop smoking.